Hey everyone! If your Snapchat isn't opening or keeps crashing, just follow these quick steps. They work on both iPhone and Android. Step 1. Force close the app. Swipe up and close Snapchat completely from recent apps, then open it again. This alone fixes most issues. Step 2. Check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Step 3. Restart your phone. Hold the power button and restart your device. This clears temporary bugs causing the problem. Step 4. Update Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search Snapchat, and update it if available. Old versions often stop working. Step 5. Clear cache or reinstall. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps. Tap on Snapchat, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you're using an iPhone, I simply press and hold the Snapchat app, tap Remove App, then reinstall it from the App Store. If it's still not opening, it could be a server issue. Check Snapchat's official page for outages. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the next one.